the business and Max and Steven a couple of years ago actually, and it had a real big impact on the way we behave in business. And actually some of the ideas they gave us have become part of the kind of creative thread of the way that we do things. And so we thought, let's get them in again, let's do something different. And we wanted to address kind of ambition. We were at a pivotal moment in the business where we were trying to push boundaries and do new things.
Max and Steve really put me at ease because they were silly themselves. I think they really opened themselves up straight from the get-go and were really exposed themselves. And with that in mind, it kind of brought all of our barriers down.
The listening exercises were really useful and really transferable, genuinely. It's such an important thing for everyone to be able to do, no matter what your role is. But I'd say we brainstorm a lot as a business, so that is a fundamental...
Improvisation does sound scary, right? And I think the easiest thing to realise is it's just not. Like once you get into it and once you get going, and actually I think feeling a bit scared about it at the onset is part of the point, because it helps you. You're actually pushing yourself a little bit, you're trying to overcome something, and everyone realises once you get into it that actually it's just about being yourself, right? And there's nothing more important than being authentic.
So I can really see improv helping shape like our thinking, brainstorming in the office. Like when we come up with new ideas, it's going to help generate like way more in that context.
We played the Yes and game, which really helped kind of remember, like make us all remember that when we're being creative and we're saying ideas, it's really important not to just see the obstacles straight away and see the challenges, but see the ideas through first and then start working towards like how we can make them happen.
So I think what we found is that improv is actually really tangible, right? Like you take away certain things. Listening is really key. You can't do improvisation unless you're listening to other people in the same context. You can't really work in teams unless you're listening to each other. So I think risk and failure are really important parts of our business, right? Like I think in order for us to get to the next stage, we have to accept that we might not always win. And this is a perfect opportunity to practice that in an environment which is safe, it's fun, but also kind of takes you with the idea that sometimes things don't go the way that you want, and that's okay.
It does sound scary, but kind of what you need to understand is it's not a comedy workshop, it's not an acting workshop, so it really wasn't scary whatsoever. It's really enjoyable.
I think I've just had the best time. I really enjoyed it, and I 100% recommend it. I got loads from it, so it's great.